Jealousy. It's one of the most powerful and complicated emotions in love. We've all felt it. That knot in your stomach when your partner laughs a little too much with someone else. That racing thought that maybe you're being replaced. That need to protect what's yours. But why do we get jealous? Is it a sign of love or a sign of insecurity? And why does jealousy sometimes destroy relationships, while in other cases, it brings couples closer? In this video, we'll uncover the psychology of jealousy, why we get possessive in love, what jealousy reveals about our deepest fears, the difference between healthy and toxic jealousy, and how to manage jealousy before it damages your relationship. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share 3 powerful psychology-backed tools to control jealousy without killing intimacy. Jealousy is more than just a feeling. Psychologists define it as a complex emotional response that arises when we perceive a threat to something we value, usually love, attention, or connection. At its core, jealousy is fear. Fear of loss, fear of betrayal, fear of being replaced. It's a survival emotion, and that's why it feels so overwhelming. Why do humans get jealous in the first place? Psychologists link jealousy to evolution. Thousands of years ago, jealousy helped protect relationships and reproduction. For men, jealousy evolved as a way to guard against paternity uncertainty, the fear of raising another man's child. For women, jealousy evolved as a way to guard against resource loss, the fear of being abandoned for someone else and losing protection or support. This doesn't mean jealousy is rational, but it does mean it's deeply wired into us. Neuroscience shows that jealousy activates the same brain circuits as fear, amygdala, reward and loss, dopamine system, social pain, the same areas triggered by rejection. That's why jealousy hurts, literally. The brain processes rejection and betrayal the same way it processes physical pain. When you see your partner showing attention to someone else, your brain reacts as if your survival is under threat. Not all jealousy is the same. Psychologists identify 2 main forms. 1. Normal or situational jealousy. This arises when there's a genuine threat, like if your partner is hiding messages with someone else. It's rooted in self-protection. 2. Pathological or insecure jealousy. This happens when there's no real threat, but insecurity creates imagined ones. Constant suspicion, accusations, and possessiveness fall into this category. The difference? One is a signal that something needs addressing. The other is a reflection of inner wounds and anxiety. Jealousy often ties back to attachment theory, the way we bond based on childhood experiences. Securely attached people feel jealousy, but handle it calmly. They communicate openly. Anxiously attached people are more prone to jealousy, fearing abandonment and overanalyzing small signals. Avoidantly attached people may feel jealousy, but suppress it, often detaching instead of addressing it. If you know your attachment style, you can predict how you'll respond to jealousy. One of the biggest misconceptions? That jealousy equals love. People often say, if they're jealous, it means they care. But psychology says otherwise. Love is about trust. Jealousy is about fear. A little jealousy can highlight care, but excessive jealousy is about control, not love. It's an attempt to manage someone else's behavior to soothe your own insecurity. Unchecked jealousy creates toxic patterns. Constant suspicion. The partner feels accused even when innocent. Possessiveness. Freedom is restricted. Trust erodes. Self-fulfilling prophecy. Jealousy pushes the partner away, creating the very loss you feared. Psychologists call this a jealousy spiral. The more you feed it, the worse it becomes. But jealousy isn't always negative. In healthy doses, it can be useful. It can signal that your relationship needs more attention. It can remind you how much you value your partner. It can spark honest conversations about boundaries and needs. The key is balance. Jealousy should start conversations, not end trust. So how can you stop jealousy from controlling you? 1. Reality testing. Ask yourself, is this a real threat or just my fear? Writing down evidence can help separate facts from assumptions. 2. Communicate without accusing. Instead of, "You're probably cheating," try, "I feel insecure when this happens. Can we talk about it?" Psychologists call this using I statements. 3. Build self-worth. Most jealousy stems from insecurity. The more you value yourself, the less you fear being replaced. Activities that build confidence, from fitness to career goals, reduce jealous spirals. 4. Set boundaries together. Healthy couples discuss what behaviors cross lines, texting exes, liking certain posts, or flirting at parties. Clarity reduces insecurity. 5. Therapy for deeper issues. If jealousy is overwhelming, therapy can uncover old wounds fueling it, often childhood rejection or past betrayal. Social media has supercharged jealousy. Constant access to your partner's online interactions, notifications of likes, follows, and messages, comparison to unrealistic beauty and lifestyle standards. Psychologists call this digital jealousy. It's the modern version of peeking over your partner's shoulder. Except now it's 24/7. Learning to manage digital triggers is now a survival skill for relationships. So, why do we get jealous and possessive in love? Because jealousy is a mix of fear, insecurity, and evolutionary wiring. It can protect love when balanced, but left unchecked, it destroys trust and freedom. The truth is, jealousy isn't proof of love, trust is. And the strongest relationships aren't the ones without jealousy. They're the ones where partners face it, talk about it, and grow stronger together. So tell me, do you think jealousy is ever healthy in love, or is it always toxic? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if this video gave you insight, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another deep dive into love and psychology here at Love Logic Lab UK. Because love isn't just emotion, it's psychology. And when you understand it, you master it.